Hey trainers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to beat Cliff, one of the Team Rocket leaders in Pokemon Go. First, check which Pokemon Cliff is using in his team. He usually rotates, so knowing their types will help you choose the right Pokemons to counter his Pokemons. Here's a general strategy for you. Bring super effective Pokemon. For example, you can use grass type Pokemons for water type Pokemons and electric types versus water Pokemon, dark type Pokemon versus psychic Pokemon, and during battles, swap Pokemon smartly to preserve your strongest ones and preserve your strongest attack. Draws charge attacks by tapping and holding the screen, and you only have 2 seals, so save them for his most powerful move with his Pokemon and counter those moves using the seals. Power up your Pokemon beforehand and focus on using strong charge moves to defeat his team effectively. If you are struggling, use Pokemon with resistance to his moves to reduce damage and last longer. You will find different types of items in here as well. Through shop, you can buy this and help you win in Pokemon battle. And that's it guys. With the right counters and strategy, you can defeat Cliff and earn rewards like Stardust, TMs and Shadow Pokemon. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and comment which Pokemon you use to beat him. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.